These techniques allows perpetrators to remain undetected as they avoid frequent account lockout. Number 2.
To
Dictionary attack. A hacker systematically tries every word in a dictionary or a list of a commonly used word as a password in an attempt to break into a password protecting account. Number 3. Brute force attack. The simplest and commonly used way of gaining access password protected site. Brute force attack see an attacker using all possible combination of letters, numbers and symbols in the password space until they get it right. Number 4.
For
rainbow attack. Passwords in a computer system are not stored as plain text but as hashed values, numerical values that uniquely identify data. A rainbow table is a large dictionary of pre-computed hashes and the password from which they were calculated. Unlike a brute force attack that has to calculate each hash, a rainbow attack compares the hash of a password, which is all stored in the rainbow table. When an attacker finds a match, they identify the password used to create the hash. Number 5. Traffic interception. Plaintext or unencrypted password can be easily read by other humans and machines by intercepting communication. If you store a password in a clear, readable text, anyone who has access to your account or device, whether authorized or unauthorized, can read it.